What would you do if you caught your boyfriend red-handed?
जो करना कर ले, क्या करना, एक तुम जाएगी दूसरी तो आएगी कम से कम एक.
Yeah, maybe they are very weak down there.
Yeah.
Because men are jerks.
Girls are also turkeys, it's not so.
What's up? I made us out on the street of Kolkata. Let's see how people in Kolkata react to a question. And if you're really interested in how people of Kolkata give the answers, give the opinion, and as we know that people in Kolkata have the opinion in almost everything. Are you in for it? Come on, let's have some fun. What's up, guys? So here I have three beautiful ladies. So the question for you is, what do you think? Who cheats more, men or women?
Men, definitely
Why
men. Because men are jerks.
Well, it's a tough question. Actually, women.
Women.
Woman, happy.
Of course, men. Because men will be men.
Technically answering, I think it's women, and that is probably because I'm a guy, but then it actually depends.
Both. Obviously, women.
Men?
No doubt.
Men, obviously.
I think it's equal. Sometimes men, sometimes women.
इतने honest मैंने आज तक कभी नहीं देखे. Why do you think?
Not my personal experience. I've seen my friends and many other people. Girls are also turkeys, it's not so.
Well, I have to agree to her. Men do cheat more. I'm sorry to say, but yeah.
Yeah, men. Yeah, maybe they are very weak. Down there.
Men.
Yeah, men.
Men. There's no doubt. Men?
Yeah, I totally agree with her in this.
Do you agree with that?
No.
No.
Because I got cheated around 7 months back, so I have a conception that women cheat.
Experience.
Experience of men or woman?
Men. Because they have many options, I guess.
The style is different for a girl. And yeah, exactly. And for men, it's like quite dumb. They are quite dumb in cheating.
I'm telling this from my personal experience that men cheats more.
Okay. Why do you think that guys cheats the most?
Because they are fuckboy.
Actually, guys are like, if they get connected to a girl, they actually go with that girl only. And if they get better choices, then they think that to go with that girl or not. But women are like that. If they get better choices or rich guy, they'll choose them.
And you guys don't have options?
Yeah, we have, but we don't. After getting committed to someone, we don't do that.
No idea.
Why men?
Because they are much more attracted towards ladies and all. The NSP, Nansuk Prapti.
Most of the men can never be satisfied with what they have when they should be.
एक से यार वो नहीं होता.
हाँ, अबे कोई हाँ वही.
I would seen their jeans, they are hormonal locha.
सारे ठरकी है क्या?
हाँ भाई.
What if you caught your girlfriend red-handed? What would you do?
Oh, थप्पड़ तो मान नहीं सकते हैं.
थप्पड़ तो माने जाते हैं.
फेमिनिज्म का जमाना चल रहा है अभी.
No, for this I won't comment anything because I trust her, she won't do anything.
I don't think I'll catch my girlfriend red-handed.
What if?
Okay, if I catch a red-handed, the first thing that I'll do is I'll bash up the guy. Pretty bad. Because obviously it's not wise to hit a woman. And then I'll give her a chance. I'll tell her that I love her. And I'll try to improve her. If the relationship works out, it's well and fine. If it doesn't, I'll move on.
I'll talk to her. I'll let the matter go and clear out the matter, what the situation is, and I'll handle everything.
I'll just leave and ask the reason why. हाँ, और मैं उससे पूछूंगा कि ऐसा क्यों किया. बस और कुछ नहीं.
I won't say anything rude. Her loss, boss.
Acha, what will I do? Fuck off, please.
I may have a tiff with the guy.
Will it be wrong if I say that I have done it already? I'll walk back and then try my best to make her understand which I did.
I'll dump her.
और बंदा?
अब बंदा फंस गया बेचारा.
मैं छोड़ दूंगा उसे. Okay, for her, I will be like, okay, I'll talk to you later. Now I'm not in a mood to talk to you.
What kind of a bitch you are? You don't know how to be loyal. And the last thing I would say is,
Okay, bye, fuck off.
Bye, fuck off. What if you caught your boyfriend red-handed?
If it's a bad situation, actually.
Well, I think sandal would work better rather than my hand.
I think maar diya jaye. I would slap him real bad. I would kick his ass. I don't know what I'm gonna do it.
Dump him for sure and slap him. Maybe beat him up.
I would kill him.
I will leave him
I would do the same.
I will slap the girl first.
छोड़ देना एकदम, no contact.
I just dump him, that's it.
I'll just sue him in the court.
And the girl?
None of my business.
बंदी तो actually मैं फंस गई. Or maybe beat her up as well.
Okay. Would it be fine if your boyfriend, your girlfriend, ask you to check your phone's text? What would be your reaction?
She wants to check my phone's text. Okay, fine. Go ahead. Do it. Yeah.
कुछ मुझे मिल जाए तो कोई problem नहीं है.
कोई problem नहीं है.
Yeah, because I trust him. Yeah.
Because I trust him.
Obviously, I'll check all the text. I'm very much possessive.
Not at all. If I want privacy, I'll respect his also. I have no problem with it. If he wants to check it for purposes like he feels I'm cheating or stuff, I don't think that's right. But generally, I show him my phone and stuff. It's okay. That's.
अगर ऐसे होता ना क्या आयशा फोन दिखा दे अपना चेक कर रहे हैं मेरे को.
दो थप्पड़ पड़ेगा तब तो.
Actually, we have not given that right to check the phones and all.
Would you allow? Why
Yeah, I would. सब कुछ तुम्हारे जैसा नहीं होता है, ठीक है?
I don't think it's correct. I really don't think so because we need some personal space and privacy, right?
Would you mind if your boyfriend check your phone's text? What would you?
No.
No. आपको check करना है, उनको check नहीं करना है. सही है, सही है.
Yeah, I don't mind, but she'll not do that, and even I wouldn't, because we do have our personal space. I wouldn't mind.
कर ले यार जो भी करना है.
जो करना कर ले, क्या करना है, एक तुम जाएगी दूसरी तो आएगी कम से कम एक.
No, I'll allow her to check because if I love her, I won't cheat her.
I'm sorry for being hypothetical, but it actually depends upon the relationship you guys are having at that particular moment.
No, never.
Why?
Trust her. Once I check it, I know she won't do anything, but somewhere insecurity would come in me.
Because a relationship is based on trust, na?
If I get one, I'm going to trust her a lot.
Not really, if I believe her. Or why will I?
No, I trust her.
I wouldn't because she fucked herself and left the best guy possible ever.
Nothing is there to hide. If you're in a relationship, you should be trustworthy. Then it's like if you are for a time pass, then just make a day or two boyfriend. Just hang out for. Just don't make it a one time pass. Just make a 4 or 5. Yeah.
Okay, guys. So you have seen who cheats more, man or woman. Would you allow your girlfriend or boyfriend to check your phone's text? And if you really agree to our point, please don't go anywhere and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you really liked our video,
hit the red subscribe button below and then press the bell icon to get notified each time we upload a new video. And never miss to say what's up.
If you have to sneak to do it, lie to cover it up, or delete it to avoid it being seen, then you probably shouldn't be doing it. We wish you keep a happy and healthy relationship, and with that, keep loving us. Keep spreading what's up.